Hi everyone, this is Movie Boy Master here, and this is going to be an unboxing video too. The King of Horror Expanded Edition 8-Film Collection. Now this one, I got this at Walmart. It was like $15, I think it is. It was at the Johnson City Walmart. I'll tell you though, to our Elizabeth and Walmart, obviously, they didn't really have much, but our Johnson City Walmart actually has much better stuff. So this is the one of them I got from there. This obviously has Salem's Lot, The Shining, the original one, Creepshow, Cat's Eye, It, the TV miniseries, like what my hat is, Shawshank Redemption, Green Mile, and Dreamcatcher. So let's get this here unboxed. Same old knife again, and let's do this. Now this is obviously like a multi-pack box set, so I want to keep the seal on here, so yeah. Here's what it looks like. I heard some disc rattling around in it. I don't know what it was. I don't know what it is, but there's the back and the spine side right there. Oh, it was Salem's Lot. And oh no, one of the pieces broke off. I wonder where it went. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. I don't know where the pieces went. Oh wait, hang on. There it is. If I can get it. This little piece right there holds this came right off, sadly. It was Salem's Lot the whole entire time. It was rattling around in there. Anyways. Here is a Salem's Lot. I think this is a TV miniseries that ran on CBS, 1979. It's Shining, Creepshow. Man, that's like, I don't know if that is like writing or something like that. I think it looks like a scratch right there or something. Ooh. Wow. I think that looks like a scratch right there or something. I do not know what that is. That really sucks. They have like a scratch or something. Let me show you on camera better. It's like a little scratch or something. Like somebody, like, I don't know what they did right there. Probably used magic erase or something. But I don't know, to be honest with you right now. But I hope the disc will work, hopefully. Which I'll absolutely will check. So that one's Creepshow. Anyways, get back to the other discs here. Let's see, it's Creepshow. Some little, I don't know if that's marker or something like that. I do not know what that was. And this one here is Cat's Eye, Stephen King, obviously. Stephen King's It, TV miniseries, Pennywise, obviously. Shawshank Redemption, Green Mile, and Dreamcatcher. And I think this has, this has a some artwork too, like information about the films and all that. Dreamcatcher. There it is. Yep, Castle Rock and Village Roadshow for Dreamcatcher. Obviously. So, yep. well, I guess that's it for the King of Horror Expanded Edition. I think I got this at $15 at Walmart. That was a pretty good deal, dude. I mean, pretty good deal for this multi-pack. So, that's it for the video, and I'll see you all later on Movie Boy Masters channel. So, see you all later. Except for the whole disc thing that's a little broken. The hell's your disc? It's a one piece that broke, but it's not anything too bad. Not anything too bad, but and also that Creepshow disc's a little bit scratched up. And like a little, I don't know if that's magic eraser or what. I hope the disc still works. So I'll see you all later on Movie Boy Masters channel. So yeah, see you all later.